Yes, people. What are we saying, man? What are we saying? What a day. What a day. I'm getting hot already. Because I know it's about to be a sweaty ass stream. This is gonna be a sweaty stream. Bloody hell, it's hot. Jeez, guys, what are we saying, man? It's been a good day. Anne-Marie, Michelle, how are you guys doing, man? Lance, Dan, Chris, or aka Banjo. Oh dear, what a day, huh? What a day! Enjoying the sunshine and everything else. I've got a few days off from work as well, just relaxing the old hip and everything. Um, but yeah, geez, man, we've been experiencing some really good price action today over the last few days, actually. Obviously, stuff we expected, stuff we spoke about for a long time. So, do you know what? Does it come so much as a shock? No, but it's obviously good to see. It's always exciting to see. Yes, James, man, what are you saying, man? Thanks for joining, bro. I appreciate that. So yeah, it's just been something that we've been long awaiting for, and the whole point about me banging on about being patient all of this time is because of moments like this. But in this stream, I do want to kind of proceed with caution. I kind of just want to, show you guys that we still need to be very cautious of everything happening, because there's certain things that we need to see within the market to ensure that we are going to carry on going up. Okay, so I'm at this point, I've kind of accepted that there's a lot of excitement going on. Portfolios recovering like a beast right now. But I do also know constantly that at the back of my head, we've still got things to get through to confirm that this isn't just no random pump. That, I want to actually confirm that this is alt season now, and we're on the brink. We're on the brink of seeing some ridiculous price action happening. So, that's basically what I want to show you guys in this video. Tanner, would you still accumulate Litecoin now over XRP? Because based on the last bull run, XRP only got going by the time Litecoin peaked. I looked on CoinTrader Pro. Yeah, I mean, the thing is, if history does repeat itself, then yeah, absolutely. Litecoin and XRP are still quite suppressed when it does come to their prices right now too. But I wouldn't really make too much of a difference with them. I hold both of them, so I'm all good. But yeah, if that's what you want to go for, then 100%, because that did happen. Yes, Charlie. Hi, Tanner. All good going with crypto at this point. Not so good for Arsenal. Thought they'd have some money for an attack after getting rid of Gunnosaurus. Yeah, I know, man. Right now, Arsenal are just a banter club, mate. And it's something that I just hate even talking about, thinking about. I'm not looking forward to the match on Friday, but there you go, man. What can you do? Just got to go with it. So yeah, guys, obviously in this video, I'm going to start off by showing you guys the Bitcoin chart. We'll be going through quite a few charts, and just to kind of see where we are in the market, are there any indicators that we're heading higher? Because ultimately, that's what we're looking for right now. It's no it's no secret that I've been telling you guys what we need to expect from Bitcoin, because there's a few things we need to expect. And getting to these price levels, is absolutely fine with me. This was fully expected. It's what happens when we start heading our way, up to the 702, which I'll show you in a second. So this is the Bitcoin chart right here. Simply, we've been getting very good reactions to the Fibonacci retracement. We've been expecting it all the way up, guys. Right now, as I said, we are battling that 50% retracement like a dog right now. Seriously. It's kept us down for 3 days in a row now. Each of those 3 days, Bitcoin did come up to test that level. It's been rejected each time. Right now, we're at $46,330. So we're just kind of battling it again. I mean, if I go to the 4-hour chart, you can see clearly, what's going on here. It hit it there. It hit it there. We're just toying with it right now. We are literally just toying with it right now. And very crucial that we get above those levels. However, I think we will get above those levels, okay? I think we will definitely clear the 50% retracement. It's just what comes after. And I've expressed this so many times, guys. It's these levels after that, become very important. These three right here, the 618, 702, 786. Most importantly to me, as you guys know, the 702, which is at $54,000, because I've explained it so many times in the past before, guys. Even in the last bull run with Bitcoin, it topped out, it had a capitulation, and when it rolled back up to the 702 and then he went into a bear market. The only difference this time is that we have yet to experience a full-blown alt season. So nothing has barely gone up. Like I said, something like XRP had shot up by now. What actually happened is that when Bitcoin did capitulate and was retracing during this retrace in the previous bull runs, during these times right here, XRP had already nearly topped out. So you know, and we were seeing multiple other coins going to huge bull runs. You can't count things like Luna right now doing, you know, crazy things already. This ain't no alt season bull run. What you'd expect is to see in a bull run is if you were to take something like Luna would be all the way up in probably like the 50, 60, $70 mark right now, if that is what we were experiencing. But right now, we're not. So with Bitcoin, you know, we're still just around those levels. Once again, as I've shown you guys before, the 702 is important because every time we do seem to have some kind of capitulation, as you can see, it always rolls back up to the 702 right there before we head back down, and even heading all the way back to the 2017 bull run when Bitcoin did top out, guys. You know, we had that, as you can see, if you come here to that low, we retraced perfectly to the 0.702, went into a bear market. However, I'm very optimistic because, like I said, we've barely seen anything go up yet. We haven't seen an alt season at all, barely anything. And, you know, when you look at what happened in 2017, that looks like something like this. So I do believe that this was just a dip and we are going to go up and make one last high. Also, another reason, guys, why I believe that Bitcoin will definitely go through the 50% retracement is because taking a look at something like the total market cap. This is the total market cap of every single cryptocurrency, right? So literally, this is what we are looking for right now. There's $1.9 trillion circulating in cryptocurrency right now, including Bitcoin. And if you look at where the total market cap is currently sitting in regards to Fibonacci retracements, it's right there on top of the 50%. And then when you look at stuff like Ethereum, it's also on top of the 50%. Cardano is also on top of the 50%. So looking at the total altcoin market cap, you would expect a lot of cryptocurrencies, the majority of the market, to be chilling around this level because that is where the total altcoin market cap is, okay? Yet Bitcoin is struggling with the 50%. But I definitely believe that we should be around this area, kind of struggling to beat 618. That'll be our next level that I expect us to break. So I'm definitely expecting Bitcoin to get through the 50% retracement, and then our next point of resistance will come at the 618, which is at $51,000. But like I said, ultimately 54K is what I'm really looking for Bitcoin to get to. So yeah, that is basically what I'm expecting right now for Bitcoin, guys. So I thought I'd just let you know that. But of course, it's obviously good to show you guys what's happened previously, because, you know, the 702, 618, 786, whatever the retracement is, that is ultimately where we would roll over and go into a bear market, okay, if we weren't bullish. I'm very bullish right now, okay? We've all experienced what kind of excitement we're having right now within the last few days. Let me tell you something. You've experienced nothing so far. Absolutely nothing so far. So seriously, buckle up, because if this is about to happen, not financial advice, if it's about to happen, we're about to experience something that no regular human being would ever usually experience. Do you know what I mean? Like, life-changing things can be happening around the corner, and I know it can be life-changing because I've already experienced a part of it where I've taken profit and done things to change someone else's life. Next is going to be my life. So, and next is going to be your lives as well. So, yeah, but very important, guys. And, you know, the reason why I titled this video, Bitcoin, you know, approaches important retracement levels, is literally because we're there. I can see us breaking through the 50%. That's no problem. You know, total altcoin market cap with Bitcoin in there has smashed through it as well. You've got Ethereum and Cardano trading above it as well. So Bitcoin, I can see that happening. It's just what happens after, guys, because like I said before, these free retracements are crucial, and I cannot express how crucial they are. So I'm very uncomfortable in these levels due to that. You know, I did obviously tell everyone how excited I was in a Discord and everything else. I'm showing my girlfriend and my mom, like, look what's going on, blah, blah, blah. All good, right? But ultimately, yeah, that is basically what we're waiting for. So if you want me to, you know, kind of give you a prediction, again, not financial advice, what I would expect to come out from Bitcoin right now, okay, is that we do, in fact, head through. Let me just make sure I put down properly. Right, is that we do in fact get to the 702, but what comes with the 702 will be a ton of consolidation. Would not be surprised if we're in here for a while, a good few weeks maybe, before we start, making new highs. And I'd be expecting that across the market as well. So anything that I'm kind of charting, any kind of coin that's approaching that level, I'd be expecting us to find some kind of resistance there for a while. By all means, it doesn't have to. By all means, it can go off and do its own thing. But yeah, that is my expectation, that I would need to be waiting for them to find some kind of resistance and just kind of chill there, which will be very scary, because ultimately it's either going to chill there and then turn on itself and go down, or it's going to chill there and then off into alt season we go, So, that's basically what I'm waiting for. Oh, it looks like we're having a good day. Luna holiday, yeah, 100%. And we'll be taking a look at Luna as well. As also pumping more than Bitcoin, should we be accumulating Bitcoin with alt profit? Nah, that's up to you, man. I never held Bitcoin. I will not hold Bitcoin until we enter a full-blown bear market and we're at the bottom of it. The profits are in altcoins. You've seen something like Luna do 4x in a week. If Bitcoin was to do 4x in a week, it'd be at $200,000 right now. I could see Bitcoin going to maximum 70, 80. So yeah, it's just my opinion. I will not be moving any profit into Bitcoin. No chance. Yes, Zach, thanks for joining. Jade, Hover. Yes, Uncle T, happy crypto pick of the week. Happy crypto pick of the week, bro. We're not actually doing that today. Again, I feel like it's more about taking a look at the market, which is more important than finding cryptos right now. But I will, at the end of this stream, be kind of showing my opinion on what's that very good buying point. I'm that bullish. I got horns growing. What's the future with Doge and Shiba? They ain't got no future. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know what the future is. Good evening, Tana. I'm all watching. Interesting fallout from the poly. Yeah, that was mad, wasn't it? I actually done a video on that this morning. Crazy what's happening with that, but obviously stay safe, guys. Make sure your crypto is safe, especially in a time like this when we really need our crypto to be safe. So just chill, Yeah, I'm fans of them. I don't hold them though. ADA popping off, more movement to come. Absolutely. I think there's more movement to come. In fact, that is the next chart that we're going to be looking at. So what we've got here again, so we've taken a look at the total market cap of crypto. That's where we are right now. And as you can see, ADA, the reason why I expect some very, very bullish movement for ADA is simply due to the fact that it's been chilling here for a very long time. Not only are we approaching very important levels, it's moving very bullishly. 2 days, look at those two candles right there. But obviously, if you zoom out with Cardano, we've been stuck in this range for a very long time. If I take it from here to where we are right now, 182 days, Cardano has been stuck here. That's 182 days of accumulation. That is crazy. That is literally like half a year of accumulation, guys. So it had its initial massive run up, been accumulating here for a long time, and I definitely expect well, look, I'm not going to give price predictions. It's not what I do on this channel. However, I've got big price predictions for Cardano ADA. Looking up, I'll be looking at maybe around these areas right here. I mean, you can see the prices right there if you want to take a look at them for yourself. But again, I don't hold ADA, but I did long ADA. I longed ADA down here. So I kind of timed it pretty perfectly, but I'd done it because I started looking at the chart and I just thought to myself, this is going to blow if we go, due to the accumulation, due to the pattern that we're seeing, due to the levels it was holding. I mean, even if you just take a look at ADA on this kind of front right here, right? If I just do that, look how many times we held our previous all-time high. This level here, you can't see, it's all the way back there, obviously, but this was our previous all-time high at $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times we back tested that all-time high. That is very, very strong support. Okay, now we've made that new all-time high. Now let's go and make new highs. Do you know what I'm talking about? After that massive accumulation as well. So with Cardano ADA, anyone that is holding it, again, I don't hold it, but I've been looking at it closely because I've longed it. We were approaching, obviously, we found a little bit of resistance there at the 618. But next level, again, most importantly, the $2.03 mark. And for me, I'm looking at things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP. I want to see one of them hit through that 702 because, as I said, they're the biggest coins by market cap. The top 5 is what we're looking at here. The top 5 is what we're talking about here. So we would definitely need to see one of them hit through it, because it will kind of show us the way. But there's so many indications and so many signs that we are going to be making a new all-time high, and alt season is upon us. And I'm not financial advice, guys, but honestly, if it was, you'd be looking at the next few weeks, or maybe a month later, where the real fun could potentially happen. But it all depends on Bitcoin getting through those retracement levels. Personally, I say a few weeks, a few months, sorry, a month. I don't know. I hate giving time predictions because it's impossible. Okay, but the way things are going, the way they're moving, and they're moving very fast, we could be seeing that. Okay, but again, I expect a lot of volatility to come underneath that 0.702. So we expect there to be some consolidation under there until we do break through it, or we could just see a straight break through it. We don't know. We have to wait and see. We just have to wait and see. Cool. So now let's move over to good old Ethereum as well. It's always very important to take a look at that as well. So Ethereum, again, chilling right there, exactly where the total market cap is chilling as well. So that's where it should be. Okay. And right now we're just kind of chilling in that area. Next resistance is at 618, which is $33,500. So we just kind of about $100 under it, really. But again, I'm expecting that to kind of head its way up as well. So not really too much to look out for Ethereum. It's just kind of going with what the market is telling it to do. Cardano slightly overperforming. But again, I've said that because I do believe we've been chilling here for a long time, and Cardano is ready to go, So yeah, Ethereum getting into those levels there. XRP, very, very big lagger. Someone was asking me about XRP earlier, about where we are, what they should accumulate. XRP does a big pop today. Okay, we hit through the 236. If you're looking at something like Ethereum and Cardano chilling up here, okay, and XRP is down here, the total market cap's up here. Realistically, we know that XRP is a big lagger in the market. Always has been over the years, always will be. But XRP should realistically be around here, right? The $1.3 level. So again, XRP is another one that I longed. I longed XRP around here once things started to fly. And I hold XRP in my portfolio as well. But yeah, XRP should realistically be around these levels right here. So, if you're looking for something to kind of enter, even though XRP's had a big pop in the market, do your own research. But of course, XRP has got huge potential right there. Yes, Tom, thanks for joining, man. But yeah, XRP's got a very, very big potential right there. And then look, guys, my girl, Luna, as you can see, she has made it through the 0.702. Now, whether that was going to happen today or not, I don't know. We did get some news about Coinbase Pro listing UST. UST is a stable coin for Terra Luna. So that could have pushed the price up. However, this is very important for those that hold Luna. Obviously, it's my biggest bag. Even if you go back to these levels right over here onto that low, the 702 was one of the most ridiculous levels of resistance we found. And again, that's why I talk about the 702. Very important. As I said before, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times Luna tried to break out that 702 and we couldn't. Okay. But this time round, we done it straight away. In fact, it found more resistance at the 618 right there. We've broken through it. Very, very good to see. Very bullish signs. I'm quite confused whether or not I should take that as a sign for the rest of the market, only because I do believe Luna will be a top 5 coin in the very near future, should be there already. But it's not there yet. And obviously we had news to kind of accelerate some price action. So I don't know if I'm looking at that as one of the leaders, but obviously then you take a look at something like AXS and that's done something completely mad. I expect Luna to do an AXS type run. It would not surprise me at all. Again, not financial advice, just my opinion. But you guys know about me. I've been calling for people to take a look at Luna. It was my very first crypto pick of the week. Ever since we're all down here, I've been telling people to take a look at it. Personally, thanks to a certain someone, I ended up buying Luna. What was it right here? It was between like 40 and 80 cents I was accumulating. So I'm very lucky to have the amount of Luna that I do. But even while we're up here, even here, I was accumulating Luna because this will be one of the biggest winners of this bull market, in my opinion. So yeah, but yeah, we've broken above the 702. One of very few coins to do that, guys. So yeah, definitely take a look at it. No, no, I will not be longing something that's already 30x from the bottom. No chance, man. What are you laughing at, Tom, mate? 5 weeks ago, my pension was a cow XRP Luna SXP 1 inch. Now my pension is a raging bull. Yep. So it is. It's all about patience, man. All about patience. People all of a sudden want to buy when the market's now giving you higher prices, but they didn't want to buy down the bottom, you know. It's just the way it goes with retail investors, though. Hey, bro, love your video. So helpful. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. Oh, you get off the screen, mate. God. Need to get some mods in here, man. But yeah, man, honestly, I wouldn't be longing something like AXS. Absolutely not. At the moment, I'm only longing things that look completely bottomed out to me. I even had a look at 1 inch today as well. So if we go onto the charts, before I show you MIR, I'll show you 1 inch. Again, another crypto pick of the week, guys. But all you've really got to do is just take it like that. You know, 1 inch is still below the 236. Even XRP being a lagger is above that right now. 1 inch is below it. We should be up here. We should be right there. 1 inch should be like $5. Do you know what I mean? So again, I have got another position open on 1 inch. Very, very big lagger in the market. MIR, probably one of the biggest laggers in the market. And what makes this so special is that not only was it one of the crypto pick of the weeks, not only is it super suppressed and below the 236, but it's also part of Terra's ecosystem, which is obviously Luna's ecosystem. And you take a look at something like Luna being all the way up here, MIR has a tendency to catch up with Luna, which would put MIR back above $10. So again, guys, it's not financial advice, but personally, I've been accumulating MIR. I've been accumulating some 1 inch, and I have been accumulating band as well. Because again, band under the 236. Someone in one of my other Discord chats today, he messaged me. He said, should I sack off? He said something like, you know, should I get rid of 1 inch? It's holding down my portfolio at the moment. I said, what? I said, bro, like, you should be accumulating more 1 inch right now, you know, because it doesn't matter what's holding you down. Whatever's holding me down in my portfolio, such as MIR, I'm accumulating a lot more of that. Are we moving money into that all whilst that price is low? Because you know it's going to catch up. The total market cap of crypto, right, is all the way up here. That is where every cryptocurrency should be chilling right now. Okay, this is like a life hack. This is a cheat. This graph, this chart right here is a cheat. Things should be chilling right here, just like ADA, just like Ethereum. Okay, but XRP is lagging. Band is lagging, MIR is lagging, even Bitcoin is lagging. Okay, so you know, you got to take a look at things like that and realize that there's still a lot of opportunities in the market. And while people will be out there probably chasing things like Luna, probably chasing things like AXS, you should be chasing things like 1 inch and MIR and band. That's what you should be chasing if you really want to make money. So for the people that were thinking they should be jumping in and out of this, whatever's, you know, going mental, no, all you got to do is just go onto the market, go onto the charts, use the Fibonacci retracement. I've showed everyone how to use it. No excuses. Have a look and see what's lagging. Laggers will catch up to the leaders. You don't want to buy the leaders. You want to be making sure you rode that leader from the bottom to the top. Okay, because ultimately that leader has already done crazy stuff. If you look at it from this point of view right now, guys, if I go to the in fact, I might as well stay on the band chart, right? If you get the band chart right now and you go from where you are to the top right there where we should be, that's 172%. Okay. However, if you took band from where it should be right now and looking at where the total market cap is, which is around right there, it's only 53% up to the high. Whereas right now, it's 170%. And you can look at it from MIR as well. MIR right now, guys. Oh, let me get the other KuCoin chart's got more data. Here we go. So MIR right now, back to its high from where we are right now, back to its high is 234%. Okay, 234. But if you allowed MIR to get back to where it should be, where the total market cap is, which is right there, again, 50%, 50% compared to 250%. So you could be making 4 times your money, guys. So, you know, look, I'm not telling you guys what to do, but just start thinking more smartly about what you're doing in the market. Don't chase, do not FOMO. They call it FOMO for a reason. There's an abbreviation for a reason, because so many people FOMO, and it's the wrong thing to do. Okay, so make sure you're just taking a look at stuff like that and just be patient. That's the other thing, because even in moments like this where things are going pretty crazy, you're seeing things pop left, right, and center. You just want to jump into that, jump into the one that ain't moving at all, man, and just sit there and put your legs up and wait for it to move. It's as simple as that. That's how I look at it anyway. But a lot of people don't think like that. And I guarantee you, I will still get a lot of questions asking me, oh, look at this coin, I'm buying it, when it probably just 6x'd from the bottom of where it already was, So look at the reality of things is what I'm trying to say. Yes, hit the likes, people. I'd very much appreciate it. Hey, you might be able to buy Arsenal, a decent football player. 100%, man. Give them a slap round the face. They're currently trying to get a bloody Ramsdale. What is that about? Honestly. Tana, are you doing ETH this evening? I did do ETH, bro. ETH is right here. As you can see, that's where we're chilling. Next resistance, 33,500, 3.3. What am I talking about? $3,350 is our next level of resistance, chilling exactly where the total market cap of crypto is as well. So exactly where we should be. But like I said, MIR, XRP, band, they're not where they should be. So that's the stuff that I'd be accumulating, right? Look at that. Look at that. Who wouldn't want to buy that? People want to buy when things are up here. Do you know what I mean? Nah, why would you not buy that? I'm just trying to get you guys into the mindset of what you should really be looking for. I've been doing that with Stellar, mate. Kept buying 8 move for months. Well, that's what you got to do. Stellar. I haven't even. What's Stellar? Oh, XLM. What is XLM saying nowadays? I haven't even had a look at that in a very long time. Usually moves with XRP. I mean, look, it kind of looks very similar to XRP, even without me placing a fib over it, to be honest with you. Let's have a look. Yeah, I mean, that's where Stellar is. That's where XRP is. So again, they're kind of moving in tandem. They do look very, very similar as well. You got the bottom coming in there, the bottom coming in there, XLM, bottom coming in there, bottom coming in there. They move very, very similar. But yeah, XLM will hopefully should be back up in these areas as well, which is around 50-55 cents. So it's another one that is definitely lagging in the market. Got to look for those laggers, guys. Got to look for those laggers for sure. Leads. No worries, man. People will be listening to you now, but will still be asking if they should buy a coin that's pump loads. Human psychology. Yeah, look, I'm used to it, man. I get it all the time. I tell people to buy Luna at $4, and then Luna gets to $17, and they're like, "Should I buy Luna?" I'm just like, bro, I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to tell you. But look, man, I'm here to help people. So I was once there. It just happens. It's normal. People want to know what people are buying, right? But hopefully the people watching this stream will kind of walk away from it understanding what they should really be doing in the market, and that is buying the laggers. And there's plenty of them out there right now, guys. Plenty of them out there right now. What's Bitcoin doing? Still chilling underneath that 50%. I'll tell you what I'm going to be doing, man. As soon as Bitcoin gets to these levels and we're chilling just under the 702, I reckon the second we break above it, even if it's a wick, I'll be going live. And that is when you'll be seeing super happy Tanner. I'll be up doing handstands and all sorts, breaking my other hip. Who gives a crap? This is what I'll be doing. Okay, so make sure you're here for that for sure. Thanks for giving us your evenings and talking to us on your lives. You're helping a lot. No worries, man. That's what I'm here for. It's exactly what I'm here for. Just to kind of make sure you guys aren't making the same mistakes that I used to, because I know what they are, because I used to be there not long ago, man. In fact, today would mark me being in the crypto market about a year and a half, which is crazy to think, right? A year and a half is how long I've been in this crypto market and how long I've been waiting for this moment to come. Understanding that there was going to be a massive drop in the market, which we did have, and understanding that, in previous bull runs, ultimately that is when we did have an alt season. So we're on the cusp of it. We're on the cusp of it, man. I don't know how long it's going to take, but however long it is, we're very, very close. We're very close. And, I got you guys to celebrate it with. So, I'll be here. letting you guys know, don't be shocked as well. I'll be letting you guys know when I'll be taking profit from certain things if that's what people want to do. This members only thing where I wanted to help people identify targets and stuff like that. The reason why it's taking so long, guys, is because I need to record a video to send out to YouTube to introduce the members only part of the channel. Now, the problem is we need to make that video look extremely professional. However, the issue that I've got is the fact that my hip is not in a very good place right now, and I can't travel to the studio to sit there and actually record a very good looking video. I can't, a video like this of me talking about the members only will probably not be acceptable for YouTube to have a look at. So do you know, when I do those videos in the studio, I need to do it there. But that's why it's taking so long. So just bear with me on that, and we'll definitely sort it out. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Jumped into crypto in March. Wish, like many others, I'd have done it before. Easy money. Yeah, well, I mean, you can cut. The thing is, it's not easy money, man. It ain't easy money at all. Look how much we had to go through. Understand how many people probably would have sold their crypto between the end of May and the end of July. I reckon a lot. A lot of people would have sold, because a lot of people just would have got. I know people that sold. I introduced people to cryptocurrency back in June. I told them to buy and I told them to be patient. I messaged them yesterday. I ain't gonna say who it is, right? I messaged them yesterday and I said to them, bro, I hope you're still holding. You'd be about 5-6 times your money by now if you were still holding. Oh no, I sold all of it. Couldn't taking too long. I was like, right, boy. I was like, don't know what to tell you. Don't know what to tell you. First thing I say to people when they enter the crypto market, especially if I'm helping them, is be patient. I don't care what you're going to see. I don't care what's going to happen in the market, what news comes out. Be patient. Number one rule of crypto is to be patient. So it's definitely not easy money. It's easy money if you're patient, right? But yeah, I know a lot of people that weren't patient, and it's as simple as that. They would have sold, and now they're missing out on an opportunity of a lifetime. Some people just don't get it. They just don't get it. They just don't get what's about to happen. Let me just go. I got to show you guys. I'm sorry. Hang on a second. Yeah. If I go to something like, we'll look at a few of these, right? XRP. Take a look at XRP. Look at that. That's what happens in alt season. Okay. This is what happens in alt season. Things like this. What you're seeing now is probably coins chilling around this area here, right? This is what, say for instance, that was Luna's previous high. Okay, and we've come back down. Luna is about there right now, because that's probably about how much is left to get back to his high. Luna's about there. If you kind of look at it like that. Yeah, this is what happens in alt season. Okay, I mean, it depends how you even want to zoom in on it. If I was analyzing a chart, I'd probably be looking at it like this. Cool. If you're looking at it like that, it's just green candle after green candle after green, and we're just going up. This is what happens in alt season, guys. Okay, it's still going. I'm still scrolling up. That bad boy's still wigged up. Take a look at Litecoin. Done something very, very similar as well. Litecoin USDT. Where am I? Look at that. I mean, do you know what I mean? Like, people just don't get what's about to happen. And the fact that if they were just patient, they'd experience stuff like this, but they're just not patient enough to see it. And it just, I don't know why it frustrates me so much. I don't really care. I've got that whole mindset ever since the whole hip thing. I don't really care about a lot of things. All I care about is health and my family and my girlfriend, and people's opinions and what they do. I don't really care anymore. I'm here to help people, but ultimately I've got that attitude of I don't care. You do it for yourself and your family. That's what you do it for. It's still early days for crypto. Look back at the tiny percentage of people that hold any crypto at all. Yeah, exactly, man. You'll still get people laughing at you today if you told them what we could potentially be seeing very soon. You still get people laughing. Just don't tell them, man. Just go do your own thing. Go do your own. Who cares? You do it for yourself. Tana, we're all enjoying what could be a nice bull run. Sign me up for a membership later on. Question: is there money to make after when we hit a bull? Okay, you mean a bear market? Look, there'll be money to make after. A lot of the money will probably be made from shorting, like using leveraging. However, don't get it twisted, guys. There will always still be pumps here and there in a bear market. You just won't be seeing the type of pumps you're seeing in a bull market. there'll be retracements, there'll be minor pumps here and there where people can make a bit of money. But, if you're looking to 10x your money or something like that, like you could in a bull market, or you're looking to break an all-time high, then no, that's when you got to wait for a bull market to come back. Base, it's not enough that I make it. People around me must still stay poor. Do you know what? It's one of those things, man. I've helped a lot of people in this market, a lot. Like even before I created YouTube and I began helping others as well. I don't do it because I want people to say thank you. No, I don't do that at all. I just like helping people. It's just the way I am. But I've helped loads of people in this market, and it's got to the point where people give me their opinions back, and sometimes they're not very good. People will start cussing you out because you gave a time prediction and that time prediction didn't happen. People will start cussing you out because you analyzed the chart and the chart did the opposite to what you said it would do, or you thought it would do. So now, even though I know you guys aren't like, I'm not saying you're going to do that. Now, though, I share what I share. I say it's not financial advice, of course. But if people have an opinion on something, like in my Discord group, sometimes people post their own chart analysis and stuff. And I'm all for that. I'm like, so sometimes I look at it and I don't agree with it, but I'm not going to say anything because crypto is an opinionated game. Okay. People will have their opinion on something and I'll have a different opinion. But ultimately, I look at it and I'm like, yeah, cool. That's your opinion. Absolutely fine. Don't care. Do you know what I mean? I stick to myself. I'll show what I'm looking at. But I feel like people need to kind of have that thick kind of skin in this market as well, especially when you've got a whole bunch of haters building up. You've helped a lot of people, and things are taking longer than you originally thought it would when you told them. So all I'm saying, guys, is if you're experiencing something like that, or you've told people to get into the crypto market and they're relying on your word, fuck, man, honestly, seriously, who cares? Who cares what they think? It's their decision to what they're gonna do. As she's saying there, haters gonna hate. Haters are gonna hate. 100%. Ignore the haters. You've helped me so much over the last week. I appreciate that, man. Respect. Reason why I can't wait for the membership. You say it how it is. Love it. Thank you. I appreciate it. Honestly, I'm really looking forward to the membership as well. But it's not to say I'm not going to keep giving people the help they need who aren't in the membership. It's just like more exclusive content and stuff like that. But again, it's I need to like go sort out the video and I've sorted everything out, like the rewards, the logos, the emojis, the special kind of features that you'd be able to experience. I just need to do the video. It's just one of those things, isn't it? But I'll do it very soon, guys. So just wait on it, and I'll do it very soon. But yeah, Muslim member season. So what you do is basically just accumulate for the next bull run ahead. Well, for me, guys, what I'll be doing during the bear market is moving my money, the majority, into Anchor Protocol. Again, I made a video on it. If you don't know what it is by now, guys, it is a savings protocol by Terra's ecosystem called Anchor, and they offer you a fixed 19 to 20% APY. So whatever money you're putting into that, you're earning 20% a year, and you're earning that interest every 7 seconds it ticks over, and you can take it out whenever you want. So ultimately, my goal is to put in a whole bunch of money into there and just earn a passive income and kind of live off that and just live my life, So that's my plan anyway. What are your top 3 for long-term holds? I'll be holding Luna. So for those of you that don't know, I staked a lot of my Luna. I actually unstaked a few weeks ago. So my Luna is now unstaked, ready to take profits. I've still got 40% staked, which I'll stake for a very long time and earn up to 26 airdrops per week, which is another point of passive income. So I'll be doing that. So it'll be Luna. And you know what? I don't think I'll be selling 100% of my XRP. I don't think I'll be selling 100% of maybe my FET. I don't know. Some of my cryptos I'll still be keeping some of for the long run. And when I believe we're at the bottom of the bear market, now that I understand the cycles even more, the mistakes I won't make this time is I'll make sure I'm accumulating Bitcoin at the bottom and Ethereum at the bottom, because ultimately they're the first ones to always go. And then once they do get to their like 80% of their top, I will withdraw that and rotate it into the other altcoins. So that is basically what I'm doing. Tanner, on a bull run, do you sell your crypto and buy back later? No, I hold, bro. I've held all my crypto for a year and a half now. You know, I've obviously maybe rotated into other coins, but ultimately you hold. 21-day waiting period to draw. Yeah, that's right. I requested to withdraw mine the first week of July. So mine's all there now, ready. So I am ultimately ready now to take profit from Luna, and I've left the rest staked. Yeah, I've got something, Anchor. Can you give us a tutorial on how to stake it? To stake what, bro? What, Anchor or Luna? I've done all the tutorials on that. All the tutorials I done on that on my YouTube. So take a look at that. Definitely the best way of making passive income, guys. Think of it like this. You're putting money into a savings account. If you've done that with a bank, you'll probably get a maximum 1% a year. Anchor's offering you 20% a year. So imagine a six-figure number if you're lucky enough to have that in Anchor Protocol. You're ultimately earning, you know, a very, very big amount. No, not ANKR, it's ANC. So ANC. Let me show you guys. I can show you guys right now. Give me 2 seconds. I'll just show you the earn tab so you know what I'm talking about. So this guys right here is Anchor Protocol, right? So all you got to do is deposit UST into Anchor Protocol. UST is actually being listed on Coinbase. It's been listed on Coinbase an hour ago. Okay, so you deposit UST into Anchor Protocol. Your address is right here. All you have to do is literally copy that address, and then you can send your UST into here. Once it's in here, so once you deposit UST in here, guys, literally you earn 19.47% APY a year. Literally a year. And then down here will tell you how much you'll earn a year, month, week, day. It's crazy. And your money will just literally tick over and tick over and tick over. It's crazy. So imagine earning that much a year fixed. Literally fixed. You know, I haven't seen this go below. It went below 19% for a second, but part of Terra was obviously it first came out, and they've actually sorted so much stuff out since then. And the CEO of Luna Terra, Do Kwon, is literally promising that will stay at those levels forevermore. And they've even got insurance coverage now as well. So if you was ever to be hacked, if your money was ever to get lost, you got insurance, they'll cover it all as well. And all they do is take a small percentage. So you could be earning like 17% a year, and they'll take 2% for insurance purposes. So it's sick, man. It's so good. I literally cannot wait until it gets to that point where I'm physically depositing money in there. I know a guy who deposited, like, obviously I'm not saying we're going to be able to do that amount, but he deposited like 250,000 UST in there. By the way, 1 UST is the same as $1. Okay, it's a stable coin, and he was literally earning like, oh, I was like 4 grand, 4 grand a month or something. I was like, Ross, what the hell? You're not staking it. It's a savings protocol. There's no risk. Your money's just in there ticking over. There's literally no risk. I did do a video on it. So yeah, there's literally no risk to just depositing money in there and earning interest. It's like a savings account in like your bank account. This is why banks are scared of crypto, because they can't do that. They can't offer you stuff like that. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. So yeah, I can't wait to like get to do that as well. I'd be very much looking forward to it. Well, I'm just gonna end this off. What is Bitcoin at the moment? Let me just take a quick look. Bitcoin is currently at $46,500, guys. So once again, we are chilling around that area. So if we just kind of zoom in on it, so you guys know what I mean. There you go, guys. That line right there, man, is what we need to break. And as you can see, it's finding heavy resistance there. If you think this is bad, wait till we get up to these levels here. But I really, really would like to see Bitcoin break through this today, if possible. It doesn't matter when, but you know, just for excitement purposes, I'd like to see it break through today. It'll be really cool. ADA 1.87, Ethereum still there, XRP 97 cents, madness. Luna's still going at 17.2, XLM there. Ban. In fact, what's 1 inch saying, man? Because I've got a little position on 1 inch as well. Still under that 236. You know, looking forward for that breaking out, heading to the next one. So look, guys, ultimately, just to kind of end things off, things are looking good, man. Things are looking really good. What? Because not a lot of people know about it. That's the problem. Not a lot of people know about it. You know, people will know about it, especially now that Coinbase has listed UST. You wait and find out when people start researching what's UST, why is Coinbase listing it. Then they'll realize what Anchor Protocol is, and then they'll start buying UST and sending it to Anchor Protocol. Just wait. So great to learn so much from you, Tan. I wish I had my head screwed on as much as you are when I was your age. I'm 40 now. I'm not proud. and not too proud to learn from someone so young. You're not too proud. Well, did you know I actually asked this question on the Discord because I actually found out I feel like I'm the youngest in the Discord and everyone's a lot older than me. I said, how do you guys feel about learning from a 23-year-old? And you know what? It was a lot of them said they don't mind it. You know, ultimately, if I'm giving them good information, then it is what it is. But honestly, on a serious note, I actually feel a lot older than I am because I feel like I've gone through everything, man, in this life already. I've gone through a lot. I've done a lot. So I feel quite wise in the way I am. I'm not trying to be big-headed. I'm just trying to be honest. There is a risk if they get hacked, but it's less than 10%. Live on dividends, crypto away, my aim, yep, 100%. Tana, what would of your account got hacked on Binance? Do you mean what would happen if my account got? Sorry, man, just I don't understand what you mean by that. Yeah, man, age 45, I don't mind. It's an educational and good crap. Yeah, 100%, man. It's good. You know, I love all the people in my Discord. I started calling myself Sunny T. There's a dad in there. There's a mum in there. Sounds bare gay. I get it, but it's just the way it is. You know, it's just the way we are. I don't know. It's a good community, but it doesn't bother me if it doesn't bother you guys. You know, is what it is. You guys have learned something, right, from a 23-year-old. I had someone in my Discord message me. I had someone message me from he was in his 50s or something, and he was trying to give me some wise information from an older perspective, you know. So that's how I was doing it. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go. I need to get over to my girlfriend's house. So look, guys, I thank you all very much for joining me today. Been a very, very good stream. I enjoyed it very much. I'll try and do another one. Oh, I can't do another one tomorrow. I'm actually away with my girlfriend, staying over somewhere. Actually getting spa treatment done. I thought with my hip, what's actually realistic for me to do, and I thought, you know what, I need a spa treatment. That'll probably help it. So I'll be doing that tomorrow, but I'll try to get a video out. Thank you all very much for watching. Please like the video if you haven't already, guys. And look, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll keep you guys updated on Discord about the rest of the price action going on. So yeah, guys, I'll see you very soon. Take it easy, people.